Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Tire Toy Chest is probably one of the most creative and practical toy storage solutions you'll ever find, transforming a used tire into a charming and durable toy box that seamlessly blends functionality with whimsical design, offering a unique and engaging way to keep your children's playthings organized while adding a touch of rustic charm to your home or outdoor space. Number 5. Little Tikes Cozy Pumper. Get ready for fun with the Little Tikes Cozy Pumper. It's the perfect addition to any ride-on toy, bringing imaginative play to life. It features a hose and even a credit card swipe, just like a real gas pump. Kids will love mimicking grown-up activities. Press one of its 3 electronic fuel buttons to hear 6 fun sounds. It's sure to bring smiles and giggles. Don't worry about the weather, it's built to withstand the elements, so the fun can continue rain or shine. This gas pump is designed to work with any large foot-to-floor ride-on toy. It's the perfect complement to your child's favorite ride. It's made in the USA with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and lasting fun for your little one. What we like? It makes fun sounds and has a pretend credit card swipe. If you are looking for a fun and interactive toy for your child, and you care about supporting American manufacturing, you should consider this one. It's perfect for imaginative play and will keep your little one entertained for hours. This toy will bring joy and excitement to their playtime, while also ensuring quality and safety. What people say? Very durable as my kids drag this around the backyard. It's the perfect size to go with the cozy coupe. This is absolutely adorable in person, very good size for the cozy coupe vehicles, makes 6 great sounds, 2 key ignition/car starting sounds, 2 gas dispensing sounds, and 2 car horn sounds. The nozzle hose is perfect length for play and easily goes in and out of the pump with a little twist. It is light enough for them to move it to where they want it, and it stands well on carpet. Number 4. BFSOBEIALEO Folding Ottoman. It's the perfect height for resting your feet or as an extra seat. The highly elastic sponge padding makes it extra comfy. This ottoman is made with FSC certified wood, ensuring responsible forest management. The frame is sturdy and built to last. Covered in premium faux leather, it's super easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth. Simply wipe away any spills or dirt. It sets up in seconds and folds away easily for storage when not in use. It's lightweight and convenient. With its extra large volume, it's perfect for storing books, toys, blankets, or anything you need to keep organized. It's a multifunctional piece. Use it as a footrest, extra seat, toy chest, or even a small coffee table. It's versatile and adapts to your needs. What we like? This is comfortable to sit on and made with sustainable materials. If you are looking for a versatile and eco-friendly storage solution that also serves as extra seating, this is the one for you. It's perfect for small spaces and can easily be stored away when not in use. Its multifunctionality makes it a great addition to any home. What people say? It's cute, adds some flair without clashing with the scheme and has a bit of a vintage look. The size is perfect as an end table, the quality of faux leather is excellent and the colors are vibrant. The faux leather top is substantial. It has road signs predominantly in colors of brown, aqua, orange, some gold and a little white. It seems strong enough to hold a person or to prop one's feet up. This box has room for lots of storage. Number 3. VASAGLE USB 061T10 Storage Bench. This stylish and functional bench offers ample storage space for all your belongings. It's perfect for any room in your home, adding both organization and charm. With its generous dimensions, it easily holds blankets, pillows, clothes, and more. Keep your living space tidy and clutter-free. 2 sturdy hinges keep the lid open securely at any angle, preventing accidental slams and protecting little fingers. It's safety first. Made from high-quality particle board, it supports up to 300 pounds. You can comfortably sit and store a significant amount of items. Easy-to-grip side handles make it simple to move this versatile piece wherever you need extra seating or storage. It's mobility redefined. Simple instructions and clearly labeled parts mean you can have it assembled and ready to use in minutes. Enjoy your new storage solution quickly. What we like? It has a large storage capacity and safe hinges. If you need extra storage and value safety features, this is a great option. It's easy to assemble and provides ample space for storing various items. The sturdy construction and convenient handles make it a practical and reliable choice for any home. What people say. This chest has good storage space. I fit 10 plus blankets including 2 bulky heated blankets with ease. The VASAGLE storage chest is a solid, well-built piece with a soft close lid that stays open, which is great for easy access. The lid is supported by 2 struts. The interior is very roomy. It's a great accent piece for my bedroom that is as functional as it is attractive. Number 2. BQLZR RC1 10 tires. Introducing high-quality replacement tires designed to enhance both the aesthetics and durability of your RC vehicle. These tires are a perfect fit for any 110 scale RC sports car, regardless of brand. Made from a blend of soft rubber and durable plastic, these tires provide excellent grip and longevity. The combination ensures a smooth ride and extended lifespan, even under demanding conditions. These tires come paired with sleek, 7-spoke black wheels. They'll give your RC car an aggressive, stylish look that stands out from the crowd. Experience improved traction and handling with these high-performance tires. They're built to withstand wear and tear, providing long-lasting performance even during intense driving sessions. With a diameter of 65 mm and a width of 26 mm, these tires are precisely sized for 110 scale RC cars. The 12 mm adapter ensures a secure and compatible fit. These tires are specifically designed for drifting, providing exceptional control and responsiveness. Experience the thrill of controlled slides and sharp turns. What we like. These tires are durable and look great on your RC car. If you are looking for high-quality replacement tires for your RC car that can withstand tough conditions, you should pick this one. They offer excellent grip and performance, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. They are a worthwhile investment for any RC enthusiast. What people say. These are rubber tires on plastic wheels. They are what I would call a grip tire. Still needs to be glued, but tires and rims are good quality and represent very strong value. Very pleased with these wheels and tires. The rubber is super sticky and the wheels look awesome. Number 1. Blue Orchard's Tool Chest Boxes. These classic tool chest boxes are perfect for organizing books, jewelry, or party favors. They're stackable, easily transportable, and reusable for gifts or decoration. This set of 3 boxes, small, medium, and large, nests together for easy storage and portability. They're great for gifts, party favors, or everyday organization. With brass handles and a latch, these boxes are both stylish and durable. The quality construction ensures they'll last, adding a vintage touch to any setting. Tired of boring gift boxes? These add a unique and exciting presentation to any gift. Plus, they're reusable for storing keepsakes or other valuables. Use them for storage, party decorations, or as stylish gift boxes. They're versatile enough for any occasion and add a touch of fun to any space. What we like. It's a stackable, stylish, and multi-use storage solution. If you are looking for an attractive and functional way to organize small items, this is a great choice. These boxes are perfect for gifts, party favors, or general storage. They're also a great way to add a touch of vintage charm to your home. What people say. Great quality, and much nicer than I thought they would be. Heavy-duty boxes. Worked great for wrapping and decorating, not to mention storage for his room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.